Okay, hi everyone. We are here to talk about guidelines for project estimation. So I'll start with estimation bias. Cognitive bias. So cognitive bias is actually a person's attitude or behavior or past experiences that will impact their future decision making. So I will talk about four kinds of biases. First one is optimism bias, where actually the person is very optimistic that all of their decisions will work out. Second one is false consensus bias, where the person thinks that everyone else will believe what they are doing and it will succeed. Third one is framing effect, where people think that their own experiences and beliefs are the only thing that matter when they take decisions. And the fourth one is confirmation bias, where if another party agrees with them, they think that their decision is correct. So let's look at another one now.
I'd like to elaborate how to manage stakeholders during the whole IT estimation process. It is obvious that the first step is to identify the project stakeholders well. And then we need to develop a communication strategy to communicate with the stakeholders to get their requirements and needs well. The first two steps is served to understand the stakeholders' true needs and wants, because a successful IT project is based on the fact that all the stakeholders' requirements is acquired accurately and correctly. Let's work on next.
Now let me introduce the guidelines for Agile project estimation. The method we are going to introduce is called planning poker, which is suitable for the case where a small number of items are estimated by a small group. So firstly, all the estimators are going to sit in a round circle, and each of them will hold a set of cards with numbers from Fibonacci sequence. And then product owner will explain the user stories one by one. When one user story is explained, each of the estimator has to pick a number from the cards to estimate how easy the features of the user story can be implemented. So if all the numbers are similar, the number will be the estimate of the user story. If all the numbers are very different, each of the estimator has to give their reasons why they chose the number and discuss further. Now let's introduce the next speaker.
Now I will introduce a part of project retrospectives. In this part, we mainly focus on learning from reflecting from the experience. We will start from reviewing the project and then discuss both the successes and the failures. And then we will do the action plan to identify specific ways to improve future work. And now we have some guidelines that need to pay attention to. Remember that it is a practice, and plan enough time and make preparations really do help. Start from a positive way will make it easier to going on, and small changes can be better than good ideas that never happen. And now let's welcome the next one.
Okay, lastly, a project leader can employ estimation tool using during their estimating. For example, Timely can capture every seconds each member of the team spends on the project across all of the devices during their working. And all of things will be digesting to small dashboards, sharing reports, so the project leader can precisely see how time spent on the project and identify the threats and the time drains. And in order to take proactive actions to make sure the project is on the correct way. And as for the parametric estimation, it's a tool that uses an algorithm to calculate the cost of the project using the historical data and other variables. And this is one of the most accurate techniques to estimate the cost of the project. And that's all for us. Thank you.